We Were Here Together is free right now on Epic Games Store. Claim it before the offer ends and keep it forever. All you have to do is open up Epic Games Launcher. If it doesn't have it, then open the Chrome and search Epic Games Launcher and select the official site and select the download option, and after the download done, install the Epic Games Launcher. Once installed done, search store, type We Were Here Together, select the game, and as you can see it is free right now. Sales ends in tomorrow 9:30. Select the get option. As you can see 0 rupees. Select the place order option. Select view in library and select the game and select the install option, and it will start at installing, guys. So I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.